Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeast Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Algonquin and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Island Lake, Lake Zurich, Wauconda, Long Grove, Round Lake, Mundelein, Vernon Hills, Lincolnshire, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Gages Lake, Lake Forest, Kearney, Park City, North Chicago, Waukegan, Beach Park, Zion, Winthrop Harbor, and Tower Lakes. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Sunday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.